Hello guys, I made this login app and I will show you the whole code, and after that I finish, I will show you the output. So I name my database users, and then I list the people of names and also the passwords. So name is function to input, and password is function to input as well. So name is enter your name, simple, and enter your password. Now if in 16:9, if name password in users, and print is welcome, you're logged in. That means if you copy someone's name like Ariza and the password 122, then it will say welcome, you're logged in. And if you do the incorrect one, then it will say sorry, wrong name or password, and sorry, you're not on the user, and what is that password. These are the informations that if you do the incorrect password. Okay, let's go to the output. Enter your name. So this one is correct because in print, if I do the correct one, it will say welcome, you're logged in. And let's do the incorrect one. So I will name this Wasifa, and the password is 899. See, it has information that you incorrect the password and you didn't copy the list. So this is the end of the learning time. I hope you enjoy this. Bye.